I found some customers don't know about the condom package very well. When they inquiring, they usually tell us the quantity and then ask the price. Today I will introduce the package of condom. There are 8 main types of condom package. The first one is 3 pieces in one box. The second one is 12 pieces in one box. 12 pieces of condom in one box. The third one is 3 rectangular shape of condom in one wallet. The fourth one is 144 pieces of condom in one box. The fifth is 10 pieces condom in one poly bag, like this, 10 pieces in one poly bag. The sixth is 6 condoms in one box. Seventh, it is 10,000 pieces condoms in one big shipping carton directly. The eighth is like this. There are 10 pieces of ball package condom in one box. So different package have different price.